Hello everyone, my name is Anjali, and now we are starting our again new course. And as you know, in our first video, we discussed about what we are going to learn and what will be our topics. So let's begin. So, in this course, we are going to learn about Google Sheets. Yes, not advanced course. As you know, Google Sheet has so many aspects. So in this course, first we will try to cover all the basic concepts regarding this Google Sheets. So if you are a beginner in Sheets and you don't know how does this sheet work and how can you manage your task work using the sheets, and if you are joining new internship, you have to create some data spreadsheet and that, so then don't worry, this course will help you to learn about all the basic concepts which can help you to work more and create effective spreadsheet in your work environment. So what is this Google Sheets? Like, as you know that Microsoft also provide one version of Excel. So whatever we can do in Excel, creating sheets, managing data, dates, that all thing we can do with the help of sheet. But the one more benefit of that sheet is that it is in the one sheet, you and your other colleagues, you and your other friends can work at the same time despite whatever their geographical location. So this is the most important feature of this Google Sheets. Again, it has so many features which we are going to learn in our next session. So before begin, let's overview what we can do with the sheets. With the sheets, you can create the finance reports like these, okay? And you can do it from anywhere and share your report to your supervisor or anyone. You can create the list of like these. If you are a school teacher and you want to conduct some feedback survey, some question paper, then it is connected with the Google Forms. We will learn how it is connected. So whatever the response, so if let's assume you have shared one Google form with all other students or all other team members and they have responded to it, then where all this data goes, this whole data is get stored into that sheet, and in the and in the more beautifully you can see your report, or you can what you can say collected answers in this sheet. So these sheets seamlessly connect you to with other Google apps. Again, as I told you, it has intelligence files, extended collaboration. You can share it in the form of PPT, in the form of Word, in the form of Excel sheet, it, whatever you want. So basically, this is a solution for what? For the problems which Microsoft user faces in Excel. Again, you don't need to save everything you create in this sheet, as it gets automatically stored in your Google Drive. So the most important thing is, how can we start these Google Sheets? So let's start with this. You can see I'm going to create new window. So you can see we are going into that sheet format basically. Okay, so from if we discuss from the basics, the sheets can be opened with again two forms. You can start it with like just you need to search sheets, and when you click on it in this Google search, you will find the link with the sheets. Google Sheets sign in, you have to click on it. Again, it is important that you are logged in with your Gmail ID or your any other mail account. If you are not, then by clicking here you can sign in into your Google account, okay? And you can also add another account by just clicking here. So that's how you can sign in into your Google Drive in your Gmail in the selected browser, and after that you will be able to open this Google Sheet page. So again I'll repeat what we did. We just searched on this Google bar, and after searching you can see here the links, and when you click on the links, here the sheet option opens, and then just you need to click on the sign in option, and here is your sheet. Okay, so in this section it shows your sheets which are saved in your drive, and here are the option by which you can create a new sheet with a blank page or with a template with the use of template gallery. So that's how you start or sign in into your Google Sheet from the Google web browser. Now this Google Sheet, whatever you will create, it will get saved into your drive, but you don't know exactly where it is saved, and you want to create some slide which so you can locate it easily. Then Google Drive is for you. You just need to sign in into your Google Drive account, and after signing in you just need to create any folder. Like here you can see I have already a folder, so I'm not going to create any folder, and in this folder I want my new sheet to be created. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this new option. Here you can see, and here are so many options: Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Forms and more. But we are learning about sheets, so just click on this sheets arrow. Again it gives you two options. If you want to create your sheet with blank spreadsheet, then select on the blank option, and if you want to use a template, then this one is for you. We will learn about blank spreadsheet first, so I have clicked on it, and tada, when you click on that blank page, the new sheet is here. Now in our next video we are going to learn how this file menu bar, this file option, renaming of sheets, how can you create so many sheets as a compilation in a one sheet. These all the things we are going to learn in our next videos. So I hope this introduction help you to understand what is exactly Google Sheet and what you can do with it. So in our next video we will learn more about sheets. Until then, thank you for watching this video. Keep learning. Bye bye.